Import a module from a relative path. How do I import a Python module given its relative path? For example, if dirfoo contains foo.py in dirbar, and dirbar contains bar.py, how do I import bar.py into foo.py? Here's a visual representation. Foo wishes to include bar, but restructuring the folder hierarchy is not an option.
Assuming that both your directories are real Python packages, do have the _init_.py file inside them, here is a safe solution for inclusion of modules relatively to the location of the script. I assume that you want to do this because you need to include a set of modules with your script. I use this in production in several products and works in many special scenarios like scripts called from another directory or executed with Python execute instead of opening a new interpreter. As a bonus, this approach does let you force Python to use your module instead of the ones installed on the system. Warning: I don't really know what is happening when current module is inside an egg file. It probably fails too.
Be sure that dirbar has the _in and _.py file. This makes a directory into a Python package.
You could also add the subdirectory to your Python path so that it imports as a normal script.
If you want to learn more, perhaps a consider subscribing.